Today, we dive into what could be one of the most exciting sports car announcements of the year, the return of the Honda S2000 in 2026. For fans of the original Roadster, that two-seater convertible launched in 1999 and discontinued in 2009, the idea of a revival has long hovered in the dream zone. The S2000 was beloved for its high-revving naturally aspirated engine, superb chassis balance and driver-focused simplicity. Now the rumors, renderings, and speculation suggest Honda may be ready to bring the legend back with a modern twist. Imagine a Roadster that retains the purity of the original, but upgrades every major component for the modern era. Based on recent speculation and concept imagery, the 2026 S2000 appears to adopt a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, possibly boosted with hybrid assistance, delivering somewhere in the ballpark of 320-350 horsepower. Some sources estimate that Honda could aim for sub-5-second 0-60 mph numbers while maintaining a focused, lightweight chassis. Others caution that no official confirmation from Honda has emerged, so we're still in the realm of hopeful anticipation. Visually, the new S2000 appears to balance heritage and modernity. The stance is low and wide, the silhouette sleek and purposeful. LED headlamps adopt Honda's latest design language. Body panels appear sculpted and muscular, and the rear features slim LED taillights, aggressive diffuser elements, and twin or quad exhaust outlets, signaling serious performance intent. Inside the cabin, the focus looks to be on the driver. A compact cockpit, bucket-style sports seats, Alcantara or carbon fiber trim, a digital instrument cluster, and minimal distractions. The goal seems clear: to give the driver a visceral, connected experience, not a tech-overloaded distraction. Underneath the skin, the essence of the S2000 remains. Rear-wheel drive, short wheelbase, lightweight materials, and a transmission choice, likely to include a manual gearbox for purists. This is what the S2000 faithful expect: the feeling of engagement, where you sense the engine, the chassis, and the road as one. While auto channels talk about hybrid assist or turbo boost, the question remains whether Honda will sacrifice the analog thrill of the original. Enthusiasts hope it won't. The predicted pricing reflects the ambition. Estimates suggest a starting price somewhere between $55,000 and $65,000 for the base model, with higher performance variants pushing above that. If Honda keeps weight down and delivers handling that honors the original's legacy, this might be one of the most compelling value sports cars in its class. It would pose a direct challenge to rivals such as the Toyota GR Supra, the Nissan Z, and other modern roadsters and coupes. But amid all the excitement, another voice whispers caution. Some analysts point out that as of now, there is no official announcement from Honda confirming the return of the S2000. No spy shots, no press release, and no credible "coming soon" signal from the company. That means we must treat all details, specs, pricing, performance, as unconfirmed. That said, renderings and articles depict the 2026 S2000 as a modern revival of an iconic roadster. It may be more dream than confirmed reality, but dreams can drive excitement and speculation. If the 2026 S2000 truly lands, the driving experience will be what matters most. The original S2000 earned its place in the hearts of enthusiasts because it was about pure driving, the sound, the revs, the manual gearbox, the responsive chassis. The new model's challenge will be to preserve that raw connection while integrating modern tech. Adaptive dampers, lightweight construction, perhaps carbon fiber panels, an advanced infotainment system, but none of it getting in the way of what makes a sports car thrilling. Visually, for your video, you'll want shots of the exterior design, low hood, aggressive front end, sculpted flanks and rear diffuser. Cut to the interior, cockpit atmosphere, steering wheel, seats, gauges. Insert graphics or overlays showing the estimated specs. Turbo 2.0L engine, 320 HP, manual gearbox, sub 5, second 0-60. Then transition into discussion of how it stacks against competitors and wrap with a conclusion. Whether the return of the S2000 will live up to its legendary name and be a modern classic, or remain a concept that never materializes. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda S2000 revival, if it happens, represents more than just another sports car. It's the potential resurrection of an icon. For those who longed for the original's purity, this could be the answer. For those who simply love great drivers' cars, this could be one to watch. Whether it's a myth or reality, the discussion around it is already shaping up. Stay tuned, subscribe for updates, and let us know in the comments. If you could pick one modern sports car today, would you choose this renewed S2000 or something else? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next review.